Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about WarriorPlus. WarriorPlus is a popular affiliate marketing platform that allows vendors to sell digital products and affiliates to promote those products and earn commission for each sale. If you are looking to make money using WarriorPlus as an affiliate marketer, here are some tips to get started. So this video is about how to make money using this website. The website is called Warrior Plus, as I said earlier. And here is the dashboard after creating the account, or you should create the account. So for me, I think I already have an account. Let's try. If I don't, this video will be about how to create the account. Easy. So now that I have the account, let's get to the steps. First is choose the right products. The first step to making money with Warrior Plus is to choose the right products to promote. Look at products that are relevant to your needs and have a high conversion rate. So the second way and steps is to build a targeted audience. To be successful as an affiliate marketer, you need to have a market, an audience that's interested in your products that you are promoting. Use social media, email marketing, and other tactics to to build a following of people who are likely to be interested in the products you promote. The third step is the third tip 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 or way. The third tip or way is to promote your affiliate link. Once you have chosen the products you want to promote as a builder as and built the audience, it's time to start promoting your affiliate link. You can do this by including them to your content, running ads, or promoting them on social media. The fifth tip is track your result. It's important to track your result so that you can see which products and promotion are working well and which one aren't. This will allows you to make adjustments to optimize your strategy and maximum reliability and profitability. So making money with Warrior Plus requires a combination of choosing the right products, building a targeted audience, a fan base, and creating valuable content, promoting your affiliate link, and tracking your result. With these tips gathered in one person, you can start earning commission and building a successful affiliate marketing business platform. This website has an easy friendly interface. Here we have the marketplace to buy something. We have the vendor. You can see products, share, customize. We have the stats, the links. Here we have the affiliate system, transactions, sales reports, and others. Here we have the help and the support. Here I have 2784 notification. Deal of the day, deal of the day, deal of the day. The deals of the last 270 2718 for 48, no, 184 days passed. So 2 months ago, the deal of the day was ChatGPT built hot trending website, and the today's Deal is 273.48 in 2 days. The weird day. Let's see what's on the market and what is this. So these are codes, pages, and deals that you should keep and follow as a publisher, a seller on WarriorPlus. So help affiliate the deals of today, marketplace. Here we have your profile, favorite sales, purchase history, your wallet on this website, and you have the account. Here we have a security check, can edit your profile, change password, email addresses, phone numbers, billing, credit cards, notification settings, two-factor authentication, account summary, account application, disputes, merchant accounts, integrations, delegate logins, external tracking, wallet withdrawals, vendor sales, IPN history, API key, security key. So that's all the settings. You can edit the settings from here to secure your account because you are selling on it, so your account should be secure so no one can steal it. Imagine building a business here and someone just tries the right password with the right username and take your account. It's easy those days. So we have top products today: Profit Turbo, Blocks 2.2, AI Diffusion, Partner and Profits, and other things on this website. You should review and see by yourself. I can't give you all what you need because this website looks simple. And I gave you the tips to start your business on the website, so you have to choose. But comparing this website with other money making websites, I don't recommend it because there are lots of ways of making money, and this website is just hard to start. You need to have knowledge in all the domains, all the areas, and that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.